Good morning, I'm Dr. Kris Kuchenmeister, dentist here at Stubbs Dental in Layton, Utah. So the All-On X is an incredible appliance which allows you to have tremendous function and enjoy eating whatever you want. But despite the fact that it's impervious to things like dental decay, it still needs to be maintained and cleaned to prevent periodontal disease. And so the importance of the cleaning package is to make sure that that appliance stays clean and looking really nice so that it stays healthy for a very long time. During your once-a-year maintenance visit where we remove the appliance, we're going to remove the filling that is protecting those screws. We're going to take those screws out and completely take the appliance off. This allows us to have full access to that implant that's down underneath those appliances and make sure that we fully clean around them, as well as clean the entire appliance, all sides of it, even the underside. And then once we put that appliance back in, we have an opportunity to replace the screws. And that is important because screws fatigue over time. And so by replacing those, we make sure that you have strong appliance along with good screws to hold that appliance in place. It also allows us an opportunity to inspect the appliance out of the mouth and to make sure that everything is healthy and strong and working well, and to detect any problems early before they become a bigger issue. Also during this maintenance cleaning, we're going to take a 3D cone beam image of your upper and lower jaws so that we can inspect the bone and inspect each implant individually from a 3D viewpoint all the way around that and make sure that it's nice and clean, and that also the bone levels are maintaining a really healthy level up over the top of those implants and all the way around them. Part of maintaining the health of your appliance and your implants, we recommend a cleaning every 4 months. Despite your best efforts at home with brushing and using a water pick, you're still going to get plaque buildup. And when not removed properly, that plaque, which is kind of soft and sticky, will turn into calculus, which is really hard and solid and tenacious and won't come off with just a traditional toothbrush or with your water pick. And so during those cleaning appointments, we're going to make sure that we go in and remove all of that buildup that has accumulated on those appliances. So without these regular cleanings, that opens the door and makes you susceptible for gum loss around the implants and eventual bone loss around those implants as well. And that ultimately can be detrimental to the overall health and longevity of not only your gums, but also the appliance and the implants. One of the most important components of coming in for these cleanings is education. We'd like to make sure that we're continuing to educate our patients on how to best maintain and clean their appliances at home. There are always new techniques and technologies that are coming out, and as we become aware of those, we make sure that we pass those on to our patients as well. Part of that is a water flosser. We meet with our representative regularly, so as they develop better technology, we can then incorporate that into some of the things that we are providing for our patients as well. By doing the All-On X procedure with Stubbs Dental, you've made a step into a better, more comfortable, better functioning life. And we want you to protect that investment as long as possible. Cleaning is the best way to do that. Not only good home care, but letting us do the parts that you just can't quite do at home. So by coming in for your regular cleanings and maintenance, it helps ensure peace of mind for your appliance and your implants that they're going to last moving forward. And it also provides for a comfortable experience. If you haven't already come to Stubbs Dental for your All-On X consultation, we would invite you to come. This is what we do. We've been doing it longer and more than anyone else.